In this video, we'll show you how to make your own motion-activated security light system. This is an easy-to-build device that can be readily upgraded to suit your needs. Let's begin the build process. The first thing we're going to do is hook up the Arduino to the power rails of the breadboard. We'll be using the negative rail from one side of the breadboard and the positive rail from the other side of the breadboard. Next, we're going to add a couple transistors. These are like electrically controlled power switches for the lights. They can be easily controlled by an Arduino and are much smaller than a relay. We'll hook these resistors from the trigger of each transistor to ground. That way, when the trigger isn't being activated, the transistor will definitely be off. Now we're going to hook up the actual ground for each transistor. And then we'll connect the trigger wires from digital output pins on the Arduino to the trigger pin of the transistors. To hook up the lights, we'll connect the negative wire to the output pin of the transistors, and we'll connect the positive wire to the positive rail on the breadboard. We'll add the hookup for the power connector now, so we can plug it into the wall. We'll be using a 12-volt wall adapter. And now we're going to hook up the motion detector. This is a very simple 3-wire setup. You have positive and ground, and then one signal wire. Here's the full circuit. If you have a question about how all this works, or just want to learn more in general, leave a comment down below. And if you want to see more videos like this, just hit that subscribe button. These are fairly simple projects that almost anyone can do. The knowledge is readily available and the possibilities are endless. So what are you gonna make?